Let's get started.
Welcome to Virtual Dine, Learn, and Move.
Good evening, everyone.
We've been able to successfully connect with people in their homes, and they can move around and they can hear from qualified health professionals, and they can have access to a chef who can teach them how to pull ingredients out of their pantries and cook healthy meals.
You actually have a cook, a chef, we call cook chefs, demonstrating cooking techniques, giving you great nuggets on food choices.
Here, just like this.
How to prepare food as such. So that's a very good aspect of the program because it's not like hands-on, but it's interactive.
Well, it's part of my mission as a caterer and as a chef is to educate and help the community learn about the foods that they eat, learn about how to cook the foods that they eat, learn about reading labels, the back of your labels, what's in your foods, where to shop locally, how to save money. Those things are important to me.
The program transitioned online, and we went from 15 participants a month to over 80 participants a month virtually. And now we see over 900 participants attend annually. It really does take a team of some anchor institutions to make this happen and make it happen in a successful and effective way virtually.